Welcome to the channel. I'm Viper. Today is a good day. We are talking about X-Arcade VR Pinball controller. And this thing right here, I've been showing this on the channel for a while now. When I first got it almost a year ago. And now they got the biggest update to this controller, which adds the plunger. It adds a tilt function and it adds some audio speakers to it. This upgrade right here is one of those final moments, all in one. I got it all now. Before, you didn't have the plunger, you didn't have the tilt feature. It kind of seemed like it was missing a little bit, but now with the plunger and the tilt feature, man, listen, having that controller in VR just bring the immersions to a whole different level. You finally have a real pinball machine in your house. Now I'm gonna show y'all some gameplay of how this thing looks in VR and how it plays, and you tell me, leave it in the comments, what do you think? Check out this and we'll talk right after. All right, plunger. We have the plunger. Let's do it. Boom! Look at that right there. That right there felt so good. Like, that's what we missing. Oh, you know I gotta play a little bit, right? I gotta play a little bit because this was about this controller right here. Having the controller, playing a little bit. Oh, there you go. Ah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. And I like this table, but this plunger right here, you know, I'm gonna have to let it go on purpose just for you guys to see it. Ah, it gave me a free ball. It didn't want. It's not gonna give me another free ball. There you go. Now this thing right here, this plunger. You don't see the plunger move, but you pull this thing back. You see the spaceship goes up and boom, let it go. That's what I'm talking about. That upgrade. And let me tell you, another thing that this table got is a tilt motion. Like I can hit the table. You see that? I tilt it. You see that? Because I hit the table. I nudge the table. That's like a real pinball machine. I can tilt this table just by hitting this table. They put some kind of sensitive thing inside here where when you shake this table down, when you hit it, you can tilt the table instead of hitting a button. That's a real pinball machine. And I got these turned off, but if I turn this thing on right here, you can hear it. Look, check it out. Just like the real table, look. But that gets on my nerves, but if I wasn't in VR, I would probably want to hear that. But I'm in VR and that's kind of loud, so. But you get that sound. That is great. But I also turned that off. Let me hit this plunge again. Check it out. Boom! There you go. That is fantastic. That is fantastic. I mean, they're really doing their things right now. The upgrade is worth it to be able to use this plunger and tilt, and it comes with speakers. I can plug my headset up to this and you'll hear the actual game. You'll hear the game coming through these speakers, and it's like you're actually playing. You got a real pinball machine right here. I'm in something right now. Hold on, I'm gonna have to leave you guys. Oh, I got you. Look at that. Look, I got that. That's the first time I got that, so I'm gonna have to leave you guys for a minute just because I'm gonna enjoy this right here. Oh, I tilted. Oh, I got the sensitivity. What you guys think about that? I'm telling you, was that fire or was that fire? The plunger, just having that alone brings it to a new level. Then you got the tilt feature, which I have to tell you, turn down the sensitivity. You know, you're gonna have to adjust it because that's not my normal spot where I have that machine at. So it tilted really easy where I had it at. So I have to bring down that sensitivity. It's just incredible. Now, you're gonna have to know how to put that together. When you get this controller without that and you add the upgrade, take your time, look at the video. It took me roughly about an hour maybe to do the whole thing. It was worth it. And there you have it. Everything works easy peasy lemon squeezy. Look at the installation video, pause it, take your time. But once you get it done, you'll be like this. You'll be able to play pinball the way it's supposed to. And if you could be so kind to hit that like button, the algorithm loves it and it grows the channel. And if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.